My name is Emma Gaventer-Braff, and this is To Say Before Going to Sleep by Jake Heggie.
I would like to sing someone to sleep, have someone to sit by and be with. I would like to cradle you and softly sing. Be your companion while you sleep. Awake, I would like to be the only person in the house who knew. The night outside was cold. And would like to listen here to you. And outside